Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to get heatless waves. So if you want to see, then just keep watching. So first off, you want to start off with damp hair. Mine is already damp. And the next step is to split your hair down the middle, which I already did that. It's not perfect, but it's there. So the next step is to apply a mousse. And this one is for captivating curls. It softly defined curls with natural movement. So the past times I've done this works really well to hold in the wave. So let's apply some. And you want to make sure you really work that product in, and definitely make sure your hair is damp but not like super wet, because if it's super wet it's not going to work as well. Okay, I'm going to do the same to this side. And I would suggest, like, if you want the waves for that day, I would suggest doing your braid early in the morning so that by the afternoon you can take out the braid and your hair will be dry and the waves will be nice and ready. But you could also try this at night. So I'm going to start off by doing a Dutch braid, and a Dutch braid, basically you braid in and not out. So I'm going to try to show you really quick. So you split your hair in 3 sections like this. And at first you want to braid normal. And then you want to grab a section of a small piece of hair. And then you bring it under to the middle. And you do the same on this side. You grab a piece of hair. I would suggest getting smaller sections. You want to make sure that you're doing the braid tight. Now once you reach right here, you can bring it over and just start braiding normal, but again, you're bringing the hair under instead of on top. And I like to end the braid just about here. Now I'm just going to put on a clear elastic. I'm going to do the same to this side and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have both braids done, the next step is just to add some hairspray if you need it for those baby hairs, just so, you know, while we're out, or if you go out, you don't look super crazy. And then if you need to, you can add some bobby pins. So I definitely do, because my baby hairs will fly out all over the place. that's pretty much it. Let me show you how the back looks. And it doesn't matter if your braid part or your braid and all isn't perfect, because you just need it to create the waves. So I'll be back later to show you guys the waves. Hello guys, I am back. So I'm going to take off these elastics. And the bobby pins. And now I'm gonna start undoing the braid. And now I'm gonna do the same to the other side. If your hair is a little damp still, I would suggest spraying some hairspray, and if it's not, I would just leave it alone. So mine is a little bit damp, so I'm going to spray some hairspray. And this is how the waves look like. Waves or curls depending on your hair type. Mine is curly, so maybe if you have straight hair there'll be more waves, but I would definitely say these are a little bit more waves, more on the wavy side than the curly side. Let me show you the back. So this is how you get your heatless curls / waves. If you guys liked this video and enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. If you guys want to see more hair tutorials, definitely do that. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!